Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses east central Iowa, south central Wisconsin, and parts of Illinois. Cities in tomorrow's enhanced include Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, and Joliet, Illinois. There's a slate tomorrow covering parts of Iowa, northeast Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, northwestern Indiana, extreme northwestern Ohio, and parts of Michigan. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Des Moines, Iowa, and Lansing, Michigan. Areas in the dark green are on a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses east central Iowa, parts of Illinois, and south central Wisconsin. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, and Joliet, Illinois. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow covering northeast Missouri, parts of Iowa, parts of Illinois, northwestern Indiana, southwestern Michigan, and parts of Wisconsin. The 5% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, South Bend, Indiana, Gary, Indiana, and Kenosha, Wisconsin. Areas in the dark green are on a 2% chance of tornadoes tomorrow. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Alright? Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. Alright? So, the black dashed area encompasses pretty much the entirety of the tornado risk areas in general. Alright? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger tomorrow. EF1, I would say the tornadoes will be between EF0 and EF2 tomorrow. Probably some EF2s in there. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a stronger tornado than that, but I think EF0 to EF2 is mainly what we're expecting for tornadoes tomorrow. Alright? So, cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and St. Louis, Missouri. Now to the wind threat for tomorrow. We have a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses east, central Iowa, parts of Illinois, southern Wisconsin, northwestern Indiana, and southwestern Michigan. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, and Rockford, Illinois. For the 30%. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering parts of Iowa, northeast Missouri, central Illinois, parts of Indiana, far northwestern corner of Ohio, parts of Michigan, and central Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Grand Rapids, Michigan, Des Moines, Iowa, Lansing, Michigan, Flint, Michigan, and Ann Arbor, Michigan. Okay? Areas in the brown are on a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. Cities in the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Alright? So, now going to the hail threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering east central Iowa, northeast Missouri, most of Illinois, and southern Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% hail risk, Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, Aurora, Illinois, and Rockford, Illinois. There is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses parts of Iowa, parts of Missouri, north central Arkansas, far southwestern Kentucky, I should say, much of Illinois, most of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, much of Michigan, parts of Wisconsin, and far extreme southeastern Minnesota. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. So, yeah. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a few tornadoes appear probable across parts of eastern Iowa into southern Wisconsin, northern and central Illinois, late Thursday afternoon and evening. Some of these tornadoes may become fast-moving and strong, so there is a potential for a strong tornado tomorrow. So, yeah, for some strong tornadoes. So, like I said, it might be some EF0 to EF2 ratings tomorrow. I would think that the most likely outcome for tornadoes. I wouldn't be surprised if, it's higher than EF2. Wouldn't be surprised, so you never know in these types of situations. But anyway, in any event, that's your Day 2 severe weather outlook. So stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. No matter what risk you're in, whether you're in the enhanced, slight, or marginal, stay safe in all the risk areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow and have a way being notified for severe weather tomorrow. Whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, have a plan in place. And I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.